it's now time to say goodbye to the beautiful city of Jodhpur and head on to the next town, which is we're heading to Jaisalmer. We're here at the train station and we have a train booked for about 6 tonight. It's going to drop us off into Jaisalmer at 11:30 at night, and we have a hotel booked there. So yeah, we'll still have some time before our train arrives here, but we're gonna find a cloakroom, drop our bags off, maybe get something to eat, maybe get a couple beers. And yeah, this is the train station of Jodhpur. Lots of people here. So they have a scanning machine here, but they don't use it. They just let you through. So no point in the scanning machines. It's a waiting room. We have some trains. There's a cloakroom inside the waiting hall. Locker facility. That's what we want. There it is. So we got the first class waiting room. There's nothing first class about it, just a bunch of chairs. So I guess you could drop off the big bag here. Bag inside. That's our black bag in the cloakroom. Now it's time to find some food. People just sleeping on the ground. I mean, that doesn't look very comfortable. Back around? Yeah, gotta go back out. Alright, so we got our little snacks. We had a couple beers. Unfortunately, we couldn't film because we were short on time. We thought we only had like 10 minutes left, but I guess the train was running a little late. We just arrived. We got our seats. We have this one and the one on top. So, yeah. Next stop, Jaisalmer. Goodbye, Jodhpur. We'll see you next time. This is where all the people get off. I guess everybody's vacating the train here. We get the whole thing to ourselves after this. The train is now almost entirely empty. We got it to ourselves, to Jaisalmer. I guess we're the only ones going to Jaisalmer. Everybody got off at whatever station this is, so give me some peace and quiet. All the kids are gone and left behind all this beautiful trash. And you know what? I've always wondered what these were. I thought this is where you hung your bags, but then I realized that's where you put your banana peel after you have a banana. How convenient. Who would have thought? Only in India. New hotel room. We got shelves, aircon, TV, and the view out to the golden city of Jaisalmer. Beautiful. So far, Jaisalmer is the only city which sticks to its color. So it's supposed to be the golden city, and all the walls on all of the buildings are golden, which is incredible.